This is your cooking doctor Kamal Mehta, and today I shall be making oilless chicken burger patty. And without wasting time, let's start with the cooking. I have taken 500 grams of boneless chicken and I have just washed it nicely, and now I have put it in a pan with ginger garlic paste, and I will let it salt without adding any oil or ghee till it becomes dry. I have taken boneless 500 grams chicken, washed it nicely and added only adrak lasun to it, and am sauteing it till it dries up. You can see our chicken is nearly done. Another 5 minutes to go. I'll break one and show you. So it's nearly done, and we'll let it dry totally. Now you see, this we have made without oil or without any ghee added to it. And now once it is done, we will let it cool and then shred it and add it to our mashed boiled potato. At this stage we will add about half teaspoon of salt, as I had not added earlier, since it would leave water. And we will add less salt here because we have already added salt in our mashed potato also. So we will check the seasoning once everything is mixed, and then we shall see what else is to be added to it. Now I have boiled around 6 potatoes, peeled it, and I have mashed it with a fork. And now to this I will add little bit of our masalas which we put into the chicken. That is little bit of red chili powder, that is 1/4 teaspoon, around 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, and around 1 teaspoon of salt to it, and we will give it a mix. We can do it with our hands also, but be careful and wash your hands as I have done before mashing it. Now we will make this paste, and we will just keep it aside till our chicken is done to do the next needful. Thank you so much. Now as you can see, I have mixed in the shredded chicken also, and I have mashed it properly into it, and now we will form small burger patty shapes out of it. Now as you can see, I have made these small burger patties, and you can make it a little bigger also, but do not make it very fat. Just make it not too thick, not too thin, such that it covers your burger buns. Now this is how we will do the rest of it, and we will then mix it with little bit of suji and then shallow fry it. Now I have taken suji, that is semolina, in a small vessel, and now I will dip this one at a time and cover it. I'm showing you one, rest you will do it like this only, all will be done. And then once all are ready, we will put it in the fridge for around half an hour, and then we will shallow fry it, deep fry it, or whatever you want to. Now these are our oilless burgers till now, and then we shall use very little oil to shallow fry it. Now this is how you will do all the burger patties, and you will keep it in the fridge for around half an hour, and then as I said earlier, you will shallow fry, eat it as it is with tomato sauce or other sauce which you have, or you can make a burger out of it. It will just taste yummy. Here I have made a mixture of mayonnaise, around 6 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce and 1 tablespoon chili sauce, to be put on the burger buns as base. Here I have made a chutney of green coriander, 5 rupees green coriander, around few leaves of mint leaves, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. Out of this, I have just put 1 tablespoon water in it and made a paste of it. And now we will apply that on the top side of the bun. I'll show you the assembling of my burger. Now I'll put 1 shallow fried patty on the lower base where I have put the mayonnaise paste, and on top of it I will put a slice of cheese, slice of cheese. Now we will put some onions on it, and we will cover it with my second bun, and this our burger is ready to eat. This is the final version of my oilless chicken burger patty, and you can deep fry it also if you want to, and it is very tasty, very yummy. You can make it into a burger, you can eat it as it is with sauces, and please do try, like and share and subscribe.